In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a domain from Squarespace. If you need to remove a connected domain from your Squarespace site, this process is fairly quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you disconnect anything, just make sure you're working on the correct site and the correct domain, since removing a domain can affect how visitors reach your website. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the website where the domain is currently connected. Once you're inside the site dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main controls for your site, including domain-related options. After the settings panel opens, find and click Domains and Email. This section contains everything related to your connected domains, email setup, and domain management. If you're not seeing it right away, just take a moment to scan the list carefully, since Squarespace groups several website tools together in this area. Next, click on Domains. This will open the page that shows the domains associated with your site. Here, you'll be able to review which domain is currently linked, which one may be set as primary, and any additional connected domains that are attached to the website. From the list of domains, click the domain name you want to disconnect. Be sure to select the correct one before moving forward. This is especially important if you have more than one domain connected to the same Squarespace site. Opening the domain details page will give you access to the management options for that specific domain. Once you're on the domain settings page, look for the option labeled Disconnect Domain and click it. This is the action that removes the domain from your Squarespace site. Depending on your setup, Squarespace may show a confirmation message or an additional prompt before completing the change. If that happens, review the message carefully and confirm only if you're sure you want to proceed. That's it. After the domain is disconnected, it will no longer point to that Squarespace website in the same way. Keep in mind that domain changes may not always feel instant, and in some cases, there can be a short delay while updates take effect. If you're planning to connect that domain somewhere else afterward, it's a good idea to double check your next destination settings so the transition goes smoothly. And that's how to disconnect a domain from Squarespace.